Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video in advance. I hope it helps you. My name is Jamie Power from Dublin, Ireland, and one of the things I like to do is find quicker ways to access business applications and digital tools that I use a lot for work. So one of the things that I find helpful is adding shortcuts to my taskbar or to the desktop. I do prefer the taskbar though for the most frequently used items. So you can see here I've got DocuSign, Slack, okay, Salesforce, and then some Microsoft pieces as well, like SharePoint and Teams and Planner, etc. I like to have those there. Unfortunately, in Windows, for those of you Windows users, you might have come across this problem. You can only do that in two scenarios, which is if it's a desktop app, and a problem with the desktop apps is some of them are a bit glitchy and slower. So Microsoft Teams is one tool I like to use. It's really great, but the desktop app is not as great as the web app, which is quicker and has no delays or glitches at the moment. So, but I want to have a shortcut link to it that has the logo, the Teams icon, if you will, so that I can see what it is. So a workaround I found for that in the past was by going onto the web app and dragging it down as a shortcut, but it doesn't work when you do that in Chrome, which is the browser most of our team here in JobCare where I work, most of us use that. So I had to go onto Internet Explorer, which is, I suppose, compatible with pinning to the Windows Taskbar because they're both Microsoft owned. The other one that I sometimes used was Edge in the past, but I've stopped using that now. It just wasn't great, I didn't think. So I have found online a way to create apps in Chrome and pin them to your taskbar. So I'm just going to show you how to do that in this video, and I hope that that's something that you can use and it's beneficial to you. So when you open Chrome, this only takes a minute, by the way. Let's say I want to pin another one of my Microsoft apps that I use for work down here. So what I'll do is I'll just open up my Microsoft apps and log in and find the one that I want to pin. So let's say, for argument's sake, today I want to pin Streams. So Stream is an app for sharing video content within your organization. It synchronizes well with Teams, and it synchronizes with Outlook and all of those different accounts that are in your Azure setup. So here I want to actually save this with that icon down on my taskbar. What you've got to do is you've got to click the ellipsis up in the top right, the three dots stacked on top of each other in Chrome. Click that and click More Tools and then Create Shortcut. Now you name it whatever you want. I suppose the shortest name possible is probably ideal. MS Stream, and then click Create. You can leave this piece unticked. Okay, so now you can close that up. You'll find that will be in your apps launcher over here on your Chrome taskbar. Okay, so click apps and there's MS Stream. It has created a Chrome app of this, so it means that it'll be opening the web app in a Chrome pane. And now what you want to do is you want to right click that and click open as a window. Okay, so now that option is ticked. See, open as a window, and then just open it. And now you can see it's opened as a window down here on my taskbar. So all you got to do is right click that and click pin to taskbar. And there you have it. That's a really quick way for me to access that. It also adds it to your desktop. Again, that's up to you, whatever your preference is. I prefer not to have them on desktop. You can delete it and it'll still be down here on your taskbar. Really neat and tidy access for you with the actual icon, the branding, so that you can recognize it very easily. Guys, I hope that helps. Why don't you share any ideas that you've found that you think are similar to this, little hacks that make things more neat and tidy and accessible and even holistic with all of your business applications and tools. Thank you.